Hello everyone, Jess Ramayana, Effective Technical Communication. The subject code is 313004, semester 3rd. These are the contents of Unit 6, dear all, that we all know: change, grow, persist, priorities, read, learn, listen, record, remember, assess, think, communicate, relate, and dream. These are the contents of Unit 6. In the previous lecture, we learned about priorities and read. The key is not to priorities what is on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. It is told by Stephen Conway. And read, it means the man who doesn't read has no advantage over the man who can't read. It is told by Mark Twain. Today we are going to start to discuss about learn. Learning is a lifelong process. Learning is a lifelong process. It is unavoidable. The learning is a lifelong process. It is unavoidable. Since our birth till death. Since our birth till death, it happens all the time. Example, we learn to speak. Schooling is learning. We learn from reading books, articles, newspapers, blogs, etc. We learn from our own experiences like good and bad. Hence, a person who learns with a positive state of mind always grows. This is important for self-development. One must always expand his or her skills as per changing environment and new advancements. This is known as continuous learning. For professionals, continuous learning is the key to self-development and hence success. Change in your career, community, society, personal life can be dealt with continuous lifelong learning. So let's start. Learning is essential to our existence. Learning is essential to our existence also. Just like food nourishes our bodies, information and continued learning nourishes our minds. Lifelong learning is an indispensable tool for every career and organizations. Today, continuous learning forms necessary parts in acquiring critical thinking skills and discovering new ways of relating to people from different cultures. To live a life without continuous learning is unthinkable. As change is integral part of our life, the most effective ways to deal with change is with lifelong learning. What is continuous learning? We must also be aware of what is continuous learning. Continuous learning in yourself motivated for assistance in acquiring knowledge and competencies in order to expand your skill set and develop future opportunities. So, knowledge is now available at everyone's fingertips. Those not making use of this opportunity will remain where they are, their capabilities diminishing in its importance. Resources for continuous learning. uh, resources for continuous learning. These are the resources of continuous learning. Learning is a superpower of superpowers, the one that grows the rest of them. If you want to steepen your growth curve in life, it pays to learn about learning. It is told by Rick Harrison. These are the resources for continuous learning. Read magazines and online articles. Subscribe to publications specific to your areas of interest. Analyze and critique case studies. Make time to connect with the global network of people using Skype, social media and email. Attend training courses and events. Learn. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Live as if you were died tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Learn as if you were to live forever. It is told by Mahatma Gandhi. One who continues learning never feels stagnant in life. If we always keep a seeking mind, we will be able to learn from every situation or person around us. Learning helps us move forward and improvise each time. We can learn from our own experiences, reading about great individuals, history, others' success and failures, etc. No learning ever goes in vain in our lives. A professional must keep on, here I am going to share one example. A professional must keep on learning new ways of work. By continuous learning, you can keep up with the changing times. You always stay relevant with time. Learning new skills of your profession helps you keep updated and add to your profile. Look at here, today's is a techno-savvy world, use of computer. With the use of computers and internet for everything and anything, it has become a necessity to learn the use of technology in your field. One can even learn different skills like leadership and management skills. In some professions, learning new languages helps in improving your profile also. So learning continuously makes you knowledgeable than others. It prepares you for some sudden change in the industry and organization. It helps you keep updated with changing times. You can remain relevant forever if you keep on learning and adapting new things. It helps you in doing your work in a better way. It gives you an insight into various things and helps you think from a new perspective. Being a knowledgeable person of your field makes you the most sort of person. You learn, read books, read blogs, articles online, attend seminars, trainings, workshops, watch videos online which gives you information and knowledge about your work and network with people who have a zest to learn. Listen. Listen. Listening is one of the most crucial skills one can have. We all listen to get information, to understand, to learn, or for entertainment. A research states that we all remember only 25% to 50% of what we hear. It's right, dear all. However, we can improve this through developing active listening skills. Active listening means hearing one's message with full concentration with all senses. This all involves showing verbal and non-verbal signs of listening to speakers. Listening is important. There are some reasons for, like effective listening. It provides necessary information required by an organization to meet the changing needs of customers and market trends. By becoming a better listener, our productivity get improved and we can effectively influence, persuade and negotiate with others. Active listening reveals that we are paying attention to speech, teaching, thoughts and feelings of speaker. This is important to maintain productive relationship and establish healthy communication. डिक जैक्सन क्या कहता है लिसनिंग के बारे में? डियर ऑल, लिसनिंग इज एन आर्ट दैट रिक्वायर्स अटेंशन ओवर टैलेंट, स्पीड ओवर ईगो एंड others over self. Here I am going to share one example of listening. As a professional, one is expected to effectively communicate with the stakeholders, customers and teammates. To incorporate communication practice, active listening is must. Active listening builds strong relationship, and while it may not come naturally to many of us, we all ourselves to be distracted, preoccupied by other matters of importance, or thinking about what we are going to say next. So listening has been shown to be essential to communicating respect for another person. Listen. Most people do not listen. Most people do not listen with the intent to understand. With the intent to understand, they listen with the intent to reply. It is told by Stephen Covey. Listening is the most important of all soft skills, instrumental to better human relationships, including professional relations. The way we communicate, work, advise, coordinate, provide solutions, etc. depends on whether we are good listeners or not. Being empathetic listening is very important, as we try to understand fully the other person's views or feelings and then respond on it. We can become more effective in our work and save a lot of time if we listen carefully. Moreover, we become better human beings, and one of those few people in this world of social media where people just express themselves, whether anyone listens with empathy or not. Listening helps you in learning a lot. It not only helps in gaining knowledge about various things, but also helps in learning about your own surrounding. If you are able to listen, then you can understand your environment better. You become more aware and will respond based on your awareness. Listening, it helps you in learning. It helps you know more about your surroundings. You can understand your employees, employers, colleagues and everyone around you, and can know about their needs. Listening helps you make better decisions and take better actions. In the world of free expression, listening is something which has become rare. So we must have to become always active listener. Listening helps you in learning also. Thank you very much, dear all.